On the afternoon of August 2nd, a thunderstorm front came to the Tver region, which brought with it a tornado and wind in gusts of up to 25 meters per second. A footage's tornado passing through the city of Andreapol and the Ostashkovsky urban district of the Tver region has been published on social networks. According to the information received, 3 people lost their lives and 8 were injured as a result of the natural disaster. The city of Andreapol and the Ostashkovsky urban district suffered the most. About 350 people were involved in eliminating the consequences of the hurricane. Firefighting and rescue units conduct yard rounds, provide citizens with everything they need, food and water, provide targeted assistance to the population, including sawing fallen trees, dismantling structures, and unblocking vehicles. In total, due to the tornado, at least 90 trees fell. About 70 buildings were damaged, over 1.6 thousand houses were de-energized.